Hello friends, in the previous video I have shown you how to install Docker and using the Docker inside the MacBook how you can install Kali Linux. Now in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can find the vulnerabilities inside your Docker image. So you can see this is our Docker image. Now if you want to find the vulnerability inside your Docker image, you simply go for the click on Docker Scout. Okay, just click here. Now you choose the operating system, okay, or the application in which you want to analyze the vulnerability, you want to find the vulnerabilities. Okay, so this is also known as advanced image analysis. Just click on analyze image. Once you click on analyze image by selecting the image, so I have selected Kali Linux, Kali rolling latest, and then I click on analyzing, and now the analyzing process is in process. After analyzing, you will see, now you can see here the vulnerabilities. So you can see this is the scale, this is the vulnerability scale. Like if you see here, critical severity, the second one is high severity, third one is medium severity, and fourth one is low severity, and the fifth one is unspecified severity. But there is no vulnerabilities found here right now. And you can, if you want to see the view packages and cb, you can just click here and you can get the detail here. Okay, so like in which version what kind of vulnerability is found. So you can see right now no vulnerability were introduced in the selected layers. So in this way you can find the vulnerability of any your Docker image using Docker Scout. I hope you understand. If you have any doubt, you can ask me through the comment section. Thank you. Thank you for watching.